What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at an awesome bike we just got in. It's a 2009 Harley Davidson Super Glide. Guys, this bike is awesome. I'm a big Dyna fan. If this bike doesn't get sold quick, I'm probably just gonna keep it. I love it. I think it's awesome. It's got some imperfections, which is kind of what I love about it, which makes it super affordable, and I could care less about this stuff, but I want to show you guys all the flaws on this bike. It looks like it got scuffed on that tail. And that looks like, what the heck is that? So it's scuffed right there as well. I'm sure you could get some color right and maybe like color match that stuff. Some scratches behind the seat there. It's got Vance and Hines, so it sounds incredible. It has a Screaming Eagle. I think this is the heavy breather. I believe that's what that is. Is that the heavy breather? That thing is sweet. It's definitely tuned because it sounds great. Looks like it's, no, it's just, the bolt is a little rusty right there. This side of the tank's in pretty good shape. I'm not really seeing anything on this side. There is a burn in the seat, maybe like a cigarette burn or something like that. I don't know, because bikes don't smell like smoke like cars do. The grip is a little, maybe, I don't know. Maybe new grips. I mean, grips are super cheap. I love putting new grips on. Love getting me some nice grips. Like, nice grips just make you want to ride the bike even more. You can see there's some pitting here. I don't care about this stuff, but I'm showing you guys because for you picky guys out there, this is, I just want to show you every single flaw with this bike. It is going to need new tires. I'm putting new tires on it, so don't worry about that. I will be putting new tires on it so that the price will reflect obviously what it is with new tires. Unless you somehow catch me before I put new tires on it and you don't want new tires, which I don't know why you wouldn't want new tires, but it's got that sweet Willie G skull #1. Okay, and here's the flaws on the tank. So it looks like everything is good, okay? And then we have this one section right here where it looks like, why does he keep having these he has these burn marks? It's from cigarettes or something? Maybe? There's one right there, there's one right here, and then there's two right here. It looks like he tried to touch them up with some touch-up paint, but that's a tough paint color to match because it's got depth and it's got flake. Very tough color to match, so that's the major flaw right there. It's got this great looking tank bib. I love the look of that thing with the one. It's got 18,000 on it, which is, I mean, you know us guys, that's nothing for what we typically get in. Sounds great, guys. It's got some rusty bolts right there and right there. It's got the chrome covers on the dials and stuff on the switches right there and right there as well. A couple little scratches on the back there. On the other side, it's got this messenger bag looking thing. Let's see if I can get this beast open. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Seems like real leather, nice. Seat's in pretty good shape. There's some more little couple scratches. It looks like he might have had a sissy bar here, but he took it off. So I mean, all in all, guys, bike runs great. I mean, this stuff doesn't really bother me. That's why I said if this bike's here too long, I might just keep it for myself. This bike, it doesn't really bother me. But I know there's some of you guys out there that cosmetically you want that perfect bike, and I get that. I mean, it's a great running bike. It's a 2009. So obviously it's got the 96 with the 6-speed transmission. It's got ape hangers on it already. It does have the steel braided brake lines. So I mean, the guy definitely sunk some money into it. It's got chrome. It's got Vance and Hines, it's got the heavy breather. Like, it has really everything I would do to this bike. I might have made the handlebars maybe like more of a T-bar, but it's a great looking bike, guys. Very rarely do we get newer Dynas in. I know we have a couple right now, but it's been a while since we had a lot of newer Dynas in. And since the Dyna's dead, I'm a big fan of these Dynas. If this is going to be something that you're going to basically take all the tins off anyways, I mean, might be the perfect bike for you, considering it's only got 18K on it. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. I'm sure that Sean's going to love this bike. Like I said, new tires will be put on it. And thanks a ton for watching, guys.